This here is my WooCommerce shop, and as you see, the default price for this product is 10 euros. But I have 3 user roles on my shop. Those user roles are gold, silver and bronze. I've created a pricing rules that will give 20% off for gold user role, as you see, 8 euros. Next user role silver will get 15% off, as you see, price for this product is 8.50. And my third user role, that is bronze, gets 10% off. As you see, price is 9 euros. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create role-based pricing rules for WooCommerce. It's fairly easy to set it up. It's going to take only a couple of minutes. So if you're interested, then jump in. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some custom user roles. And in order to do that, I'm going to go to the plugins, add new, and search for a plugin called members. This one here. Install and activate it. And then you'll see a menu on the left here. Go to the roles. Now, since I have a WooCommerce shop, I have a customer role here. I'm going to clone this one. That means I'm going to give the new role all the permission that the customer has. You can tweak it as you like. As you see, just select the checkboxes. But at the moment, I'm going to just clone it and give it a title called Bronze. Add role. Back to the roles. Once again, I'm going to clone it. Give it a title Silver. Add role. And now, last one. Once again, I'm going to clone it and give it the title Gold. And done. Now I'm going to create 3 new users because I need to test it out. Therefore, first one is called Bronze. I'm going to add a user role for it. Add new user and create another one. This time it's going to be Silver. Assign a role. Add new user. Done. And third one, I'm going to create a user role called Gold. Assign a user role, add new user, and done. Bronze, gold, and silver. Next one, I'm going to go to the plugins and add new because I need to create a pricing rule for it. So I'm going to search for dynamic pricing plugin, this one here. I'm going to install it and activate it. It's an awesome plugin. And even the free version allows you to create all sorts of pricing rules. I have made a dedicated video about this plugin, so if you're interested, then take a look at the description of this video. I'm going to put a link to it. But meanwhile, the Pro version can be purchased here. If you take a look at the Pro version details, then it's going to cost you $60 per year. But if you take a look at the description of this video, then I'm going to put the link with a coupon code. And by using it, you'll get a 20% off. Awesome deal, isn't it? Now the Pro version allows you to create even more complicated pricing rules, extra cart conditions. You have more settings and controls over the plugin. If you take a look at the documentation page, then it's also very thorough. There are a bunch of demo rules for you. So, awesome plugin. Now after installing the plugin, you're going to go to the WooCommerce pricing rules, open it up, and you'll see those are the rules I have created previously. For example, category-specific discount, quantity-based discount, role-based discount, and so on. But in this video, I'm going to create 3 new rules from the scratch, so you can learn how to use it. Add rule, give it a title, bronze package rules, select discount type, whether it's product discount, gifts, buy one, get one free, bulk, roll discount, or cart discount. This one is role discount. It's going to be applied to the bronze user role. It's a percentage discount. And I'm going to give 10% discount for specific categories. And in order to do that, I'm going to open up product filters. And here I'm going to select categories. I have a bunch of categories here. And I'm going to give discount for accessories category. So I'm going to select accessories. But as you see, I can add as many categories as I like. At the moment, I'm going to leave it for one category only. So, accessories category gets 10% off. I'm going to save changes, verify that it's activated. And now it's time to test it. So, I'm going to log in a private tab, go to the accessories category, and you'll see that there's a 10% discount here. Also for variable products. And works like a charm. So this one was for bronze package. And now let's add another rule. Once again, role discount for silver package. Choose role, silver, percentage discount. This role gets 15% off. Product filters. I'm going to select categories here. Now I'm going to choose accessories. Or I can exclude products. For example, the discount is shop wide, but I'm going to exclude some categories. At the moment, I'm going to set it to accessories. So save it. I'm going to clone the role. As you see, there's a clone button. Rename it as gold package. Select gold user role. 20% off. Save. And it's time to test it out. So I'm going to log out from the bronze role. Log in as silver package. Go to the accessories. And you'll see it's 15% off. Works also with variations. I'm going to log in as a gold member. Once again, open up accessories. And you'll see now it's 20% off. Works like a charm. Now, as you saw, it's really easy to set up the role-based pricing here. And not only you can create really complicated pricing rules using this plugin. Now, before you go, wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here. And take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.